Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 4. Express each of the following in the form p minus q into x plus r whole square. So again, we need to make a completing square form. So part A is 7 minus 8x plus 2x square. So now, the first of all, we need to rearrange the terms to make a proper quadratic expression. The proper quadratic expression form is ax square plus bx plus c. So it means the leading term should first. We will write down here minus 2x square, then minus 8x and plus 7. Now, as we can see here, the coefficient of x square is positive. So it always should be positive. And the second thing is we need to factor out the 2 minus 2 from the first two terms. Factor out means we need to take common. Now minus 2 is common. What is left there? X square. When we will take minus common, the rest of all sign will change. So the sign with the 8 becomes plus. 2 times 4 is 8 and then x plus 7. The next term, to make a completing square, we need to do the method on completing square method inside the parenthesis. Only we will apply in parenthesis. So what is the completing square formula? It's x plus b by 2 whole square, then minus b by 2 whole square. Now, what is b by 2? b by 2, b is the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 4. As you can see here, b is the coefficient of x. So b by 2 is equals to 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So let's substitute the formula here, minus 2 into, instead of instead of here b by 2, we will just write the value, but x we will keep same always. Now it would be x plus 2 whole square, then minus 2 square, and plus 7 means outside the parenthesis we will write the values same. So here minus 2 we will keep same, and then it would be x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square is 4 plus 7. Now we will open this bracket, means we will expand the bracket. So here we need to multiply the minus 2 with whole bracket thus. So it would be minus 2 into x plus 2 whole square, minus minus plus 4 times 2, it would be 8. So plus 8 plus 7. Now we will add the first term, we will keep same first value, just we will add here the constant values together. So x plus 2 whole square, then plus 15. So our required form was p minus q into x plus r square. So it means the constant value, according to the required form, the constant value we should write first. So let's rearrange. It would be 15, then minus 2 into x plus 2 whole square. This is our required form. So now the p value we got 15, q value we got the 2, and the r value again we got 2. Part B is 3 minus 12x minus 2x square. Now we need to express in the form p minus q into x plus r whole square. So first of all, we need to rearrange this quadratic expression into the proper form. So we will write it here. The minus 2x square means the leading term we should write first, then x value, and then constant value. Now the second thing is we will factor out the coefficient of minus 2 from the first two terms. So now the first two terms means between minus 2x square and 12x. So it would be minus 2 is factor out means common. What is left? X square plus 6x, because 2 times 6 is 12. Minus sign will change the sign with the 12. Then plus 3 we will keep same. Now we will apply the completing square formula. We will make the completing square inside parentheses, in parentheses only. So completing square formula is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Then x always we will keep same. So what is b by 2? B by 2 means the coefficient of x we will write here, which is 6. So it would be equals to 6 by 2, which is equals 3. So now we will substitute here the values in formula. So x always keeps same, plus b by 2 means the 3 and whole square. This formula we are using, and then minus b by 2 means the 3 square. Outside the parenthesis, the value we will keep same. Now minus 2 we will write same once again, and x plus 3 whole square, then minus 3 square would be 9 plus 3. After that we have to multiply here the minus 2 with inside the bracket, means we need to expand it. Expand means multiply outside value inside bracket. So it would be minus 2 into x plus 3 whole square minus 2 times 9, it would be 18, then plus 3. So minus 2, this is our completing square. We will not change, it will keep same, x plus 3 whole square. So it becomes minus 15. So minus minus, as it would be the plus, because the 2 has minus sign. So minus 2 minus 9 would be plus. So here the 18 plus 3, it would be equals to 21. Now, as our required form is, first we need to write down constant value, then completing square. So we will change this. 21 we will write first, then minus 2 into x plus 3 whole square. So this is our required form. The p value we got 21, and q value we got the 2, r value is 3.